Hey, you missed a spot, Wyatt.
There it is. Now we wait.
Sarge, you think this Aurora thing's really there?
That's what they say.
Well, that's what they say. That's what they say. What do you think, McKee?
I don't know, Faraday. But I guess you're gonna tell me.
See, the way I figured, we get atomic bombs, Kraut's got V2s, Japs have gotta have something too.
We're here for the scientist. That is it.
Hey, Able Squad's ready, Sarge.
Okay. Start the engine. Take us in.
There, patrol.
Stay on Able. Kill the engine. No sound.
おい、タバコくれ。ありがとう。朝になったらアメリカへやってくるだろうか。構わないさ。準備万端。もうさせりゃいいんだ。
Go, Wyatt!
Where the fuck are they headed?
Shit! Get down. Shit!
We're clear.
Anyone hit?
Able Squad didn't make it, Sarge.
All right. It's up to us then.
How come it ain't started yet, Sarge? They said 0600.
Right on time.
Hope it worked.
McKee, if they can take what we're throwing at them now, they can keep the defector. Let's get moving.
Okay, 2 of them. Wyatt, take the one on the left.
Take that!
Die already, you son of a bitch! 2 down. About 1,000 to go. Come on.
Still some time.
Let's go. Climb up there.
Come on.
Down there. Across the field. Go. Mines. Watch your step. Stop! Get down! Down! Jab arm. Finish him off.
Clear!
We got lucky there. Someone must be looking out for us. Let's find this guy. Keep it together. Come on. Where the hell is he? He ought to be here by now. Stop. Don't move. Give him the challenge.
Who is my favorite baseball player?
Cap Anson.
Great. Let's get him out of here.
Hang on a second. What the hell was that sound?
What's he saying?
I don't know, sorry.
If you sold us out,
Yaminobuki. The black weapon. It's starting. We're dead.
Okay, we're going, pal.
It's no use.
Maybe you didn't understand me. We are getting out of here.
Sarge, they just cut off our primary.
all right. We'll go through the sub pen.
It's a goddamn death trap.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, keep going! Move, move, move!
Shit. I don't like the sound of that at all.
Just keep moving.
Here
I guess that's all right.
All right, fellas. Get ready. Go.
Let's go!
Get to the vehicle.
Wyatt, get on the 30 cal!
Step on it! Are you stepping on it? Okay, you watch your head, Wyatt. Keep pulling that trigger! Hey, Sonic, are you sure the other route is this way?
Yes!
We're running out of time! Come on! Come on! Keep it up, Wyatt! Enemy jeep! Doing 12 o'clock! Don't stop! Jeez, they just won't quit! More enemies!
Wyatt! Fire that weapon! Open fire, Wyatt!
Okay, get out! Go!
Move! Move! Enemy boats down below! Come on! Good shooting, Wyatt!
Machine gun!
Frag it! Cover me! Come on, keep going!
Clear!
You got it! The submarines are down there.
Get over here! Wyatt, hurry up! Blow the door! Stand back!
Submarine hold. Then we're taking the sub. Can you even drive us up? No, we'll improvise.
Doesn't matter. We're all dead men.
Just keep fucking going! Red Group should have commandeered a sub in the far pen over there. If we're lucky, they're still here. If not, the scientist's right. We're dead. Planes is coming down around our ears. Better move fast.
Come on.
Enemy on the walkway. Infantry moving in. Come on! I think you got him. That sub looks like it's our only way out. Sub's leaving. It's leaving. Run for it.
on, move it! Get that goddamn hatch open!
We made it. We made it. You see? I told you we'd make it, Wyatt.
Towards the Japanese homeland. President Roosevelt first landed on Free Mountain in the Offizier sagte gestern in einem Interview, dass sich der russisch-amerikanische Krieg höchstwahrscheinlich...
Manifestation à Paris contre la guerre journal. 5 personnes ont été tuées.
Российский премьер сообщил, что устанавливает тесное сотрудничество со странами Латинской Америки.
Las tropas rusas continúan expandiéndose a través de Latinoamérica.
Nuclear threat centered on...
Diplomatici russi e americani sono recati oggi a Bruxelles per...
Russia has expressed concern about the system, claiming that such a weapon could be used for offensive reasons.